Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to create a hexagon. Now, hexagons are found all over the place. We find them in nuts and bolts, other various fasteners. So we're going to need the tools that you see here. We're going to need our T-square, we're going to need our 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, and we're going to need a compass. Now remember, we need to tape our paper down and make sure it doesn't move, because if it moves we're in some trouble. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle. Again, only 2 fingers on our compass. So I'm just going to create a light circle. The next step is we need to create 2 horizontal lines that are tangent to the circle. I'm going to make one here, and I'm going to make one up here. Remember, tangent lines just barely kiss the circle. So we're just going to come over here and just kiss the circle. So you can see I have my 2 tangent lines. Next, I'm going to take my 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, and I'm going to place my triangle on top of my T-square. I'm going to create 2 more tangent lines. So I'm going to make a tangent line here. Again, make sure it's tangent. If it's not tangent, this doesn't work. I'm going to make a line here. I'm going to slide this whole mess up, and I'm going to make a line here. So now that I've created 4 tangent lines, there's 4 sides of my hexagon. You can start seeing it take shape. The next 2 lines are rather difficult, so we're going to flip this triangle over. Be very careful that you keep the triangle firmly on the T-square when you do this. As I slide this up, I'm going to make sure again I'm tangent here. So the whole key to this is that you remain tangent to the circle. And finally, one last line. And there we've created our tangent edges. So really quick, just to label this, this is going to be step A. Step B with our horizontal lines, that's this line and this line. Step C is drawing our 2 tangent lines with our triangle here and here. And then step D, we flipped our triangle over and we drew line D and we drew line D. So those are the steps to creating a hexagon. We're going to use this again to create nuts and bolts and other fasteners. So as always, please email me or call me or ask questions. I'm more than glad to help.